You installed Cowork, you opened it, you typed a prompt, and Claude knew nothing about you. That's the problem, and it's fixable in 20 minutes. Here's the structure. One folder on your desktop called Claude. Inside it, 3 subfolders. About Me, everything Claude needs to know about you. Outputs, where Claude saves everything it builds. Templates, reusable formats Claude follows every time. That's it. That's the whole setup. The most important file is about-me.md. 4 sections. Who you are, your name, role, and what you actually do day to day. How you communicate, formal or casual, direct or diplomatic. Your work context, industry, tools, team size, and one example of your best work so Claude can match your standard. Keep it under 2,000 tokens. That's roughly 1 page. Tight and specific beats, long and vague. The second file is anti-ai-writing-style.md. This one trains Claude out of its defaults. Banned words, delve, leverage, unlock, dive in, game changer. Banned patterns, never start with I, no bullet points unless asked, no summaries at the end of every response. 1 page. This file alone will make Claude sound like you, not like every other AI assistant. Third file, my-company.md. What your company is trying to achieve, where your current focus is. And this is important, what you are actively saying no to right now. That last section stops Claude from suggesting things that are off strategy or out of scope. Context in, noise out. Now open Cowork and go to Settings. Find Global Instructions. Paste in a single line, read every file in my Claude folder before responding. That's the instruction that connects your files to every conversation. From this point forward, Claude reads your context before it does anything. 2 more folders worth setting up. Outputs, tell Claude to save everything it builds here. Reports, drafts, spreadsheets, they land in one place. Templates drop in any format you use repeatedly. Meeting agendas, proposal structures, email formats. Claude reads the template and follows it exactly. No reformatting, no guessing. One thing to watch, token drain. Every file Claude reads costs tokens. A fresh conversation cheap, after 10 messages climbing. After 20, you've burned most of the context window. After 30, quality drops. The fix, restart your conversation after 20 messages. Short sessions, fresh context, better output. Model strategy. Sonnet for everyday work, fast, efficient, handles 90% of tasks. Opus 4.6 with extended thinking for the work that actually matters, strategy, writing, complex decisions. Don't run Opus on everything. You'll hit your monthly limit in a week. Right model, right task. You're set up in 4 steps. 1. Create the Claude folder with 3 subfolders, About Me, Outputs, Templates. 2. Write about-me.md, anti-ai-writing-style.md, and my-company.md. 3. Open Cowork settings and paste your global instructions. 4. Run a test prompt and check that Claude references your files. If it does, you're set up. If it doesn't, check the folder path in your instructions. 4 things you now have. A folder structure Claude can actually read. 3 context files that replace every prompt you've ever saved. Global instructions that connect your files to every conversation. And a model strategy that saves your token budget for the work that counts. Subscribe to the channel for more.